In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to soft-proof in Darktable. Soft-proofing is all about previewing how your edited photo will look when it's reproduced elsewhere, like on a printer or a specific display, before you commit to exporting or printing. It helps you spot shifts in color and contrast ahead of time, so you can make informed decisions without surprises down the line. Start by opening your photo in the Darkroom view, which is where you edit a single image. Darkroom is the focused, module-based workspace with the image large in the center and your tools organized around it. If you're seeing a grid of thumbnails, that's Lighttable. Switch into Darkroom so you're working on just one image at a time. With your image open, move your attention to the bottom panel directly under the photo. This is where Darktable places important viewing and proofing controls. Look along that bottom area for the soft-proof icon. It usually looks like a small monitor or printer symbol, a visual hint that you're about to preview the output look. Click that icon to enable soft-proof mode. When it's active, Darktable clearly displays the words soft-proof in the bottom left corner of your image, so you always know you're viewing the simulated output rather than the standard editing view. There's also a quick shortcut to make this even smoother. Press Ctrl+S to toggle soft proof on and off. This is especially handy when you want to compare the difference between your normal editing preview and the soft-proofed version. Toggle a few times and watch for subtle changes in saturation, contrast, or shadow detail. Those are common areas where output devices can behave differently than your main display. Soft-proofing is a preview-only feature. It doesn't bake anything into your file or change your edits. It simply simulates how the image will look under an output profile so you can make decisions with confidence. If you're assessing fine details like skin tones, gradients, or deep shadows, zoom in and take a careful look while the soft-proof indicator is visible. Then toggle off to see your baseline edit again. This back-and-forth comparison is a reliable way to catch potential issues before you send the image out. When you're done previewing, just click the soft-proof icon again, or press Ctrl+S to return to your standard view. That's all there is to soft-proofing in Darktable. Simple to enable, clear to verify, and powerful for quality control.